With the help of your greatness and your such great unity, now I am going to put this message on the YouTube. The interpretation and teaching which is available here, it is all further expansion of Paramahansa Yogananda work. When he promised to India I will be there, it means Paramahansa Yogananda activity is exactly what he done in North America. Same should be here. I am fulfilling that dreams. Further I am going to say in YouTube, the teaching explanation which I am giving here, it was never before on this earth after Jesus Christ and after Krishna. Paramahansa Yogananda did not get time to explain this in the West because Western culture was different. There was no much popularity about Deepavali, Holika and other festival what we are celebrating here. Let them know that this teaching is available here only, nowhere else. And when you say it is true, then you will find big work will be done. Today I am going to give you the Deepavali real celebration what it should be. Let the whole Indian should know it. You know, after initiation we practice Paravastha. Paravastha means whatever you experienced, try to hold it. Do not throw it out. Therefore in India, Deepavali festival was celebrated. Light the lamp of wisdom within head to toes, each and every part. After that, to hold this consciousness. Today is the Paravastha day. And all scriptural practices, religious practices becomes ritual. Now let us practice 2-3 minutes in a standing position. We human being is a special gifted structure. We are having infinite power to love. Then how to show infinite power? From where we got infinite power? This is one question. When we are seeking infinite means seeking more power, more knowledge, more peace. That is real knowledge, not what we are reading in the book. A real knowledge which comes from inside. A real power which comes from inside. A real joy which comes from inside. Joy after eating the meal, that is not the real joy, that is emotional joy. Joy after listening the music is emotional joy. Joy after sightseeing what we see, that is emotional joy. Joy of experiencing air conditioning when you are hot, that is emotional joy. When you are feeling very chill and you have warmness, that joy is called emotional joy. Real joy is when you feel a reality. What is the truth? And truth is only one thing. Death never exists. Illness, sickness never exists. Pain, pleasure never exists. There exists only one thing, bliss, joy, peace, knowledge, power. And that is available everywhere in this cosmos. From anywhere you can dig it out. You see, science is proving that so much power is inside atom. All the scientists are digging out every day. Internet, cell phone, wireless, so many things are coming out. At the last you will find within that atom, Jesus will appear, Krishna will appear, Babaji will appear, Ladi Mahasaya will appear. Not only them, all past, present and future will find within that atom. But to realize this it will take many thousand years. Same truth you can realize within head to toes by practicing Kriya Yoga in one lifetime. What is the meaning of one lifetime? If I am 90, then what is my lifetime? When at the age of 90, I started practicing Kriya Yoga sincerely with deepest devotion, my life span will keep on increasing till I become fully realized master. What is the realized master sign symptom? Realizing that the whole visible and invisible cosmos is manifestation of God. You cannot take anything out and you cannot add anything into that. Everything is eternally perfect, complete. Then head to toes, what I was feeling before it is separate, that was illusion. then you will find that the self, which is called the self has become visible and invisible cosmos. Then what is the God? Same. Then there is no distance between God and I. This is the real education we want to experience, not to read and remember. We have to experience it. Then Kriya Yoga meditation is scientific proven technique. When you practice, you will experience it. Many have experienced it, not only one. What I was telling, from where we got this knowledge, real knowledge, when you get real knowledge, then joy you feel inside, real peace you feel, real knowledge you feel. Everything what you feel is infinite. That you cannot get from outside, in any book, anywhere. Highest recreation you get, the moment you have real knowledge, and that knowledge is real peace, and that knowledge is real bliss, that knowledge is real life, that knowledge is real light, which we call Jesus Christ is telling, I am the light. What does it mean? That he was manifesting the truth, that real knowledge has become existence of Jesus Christ. Therefore, whatever he was giving to all is complete teaching. That is scripture. Same thing was explained by all prophet, all realized master, Gautam Buddha and Lahiri Mahasaya, Kabir Sahab, Nanak Dev Ji, and Ram and Krishna, Mahavir Swami, like this. Now come to the point, when we got this knowledge, then we wanted that all should learn this. Then how to teach others? How to teach others that we are light? Then we have discovered little like game, a spiritual game. As in order to tell what is the car, then we are giving baby a small car. See, this is the small car. Imagine what is the big car. As the children are given some thing to play, and that is not the real thing, but children feel enjoyment. Therefore, when it is explained, I am the light, I am the power, I am the knowledge, then how to teach all fellows? Then tradition has come lighting the lamp. Tradition has come lighting the candle. Oh, to this ceremony, oh, Mr. So-and-so, please come and bless this lamp and light the lamp. Then next day newspaper is coming, oh, so-and-so came and light the lamp and inaugurated the program. This is ritual. From where this ritual arises? It is all given by the realized master, so that all persons who are not knowing what is the reality, they should start playing it like children. You see, when there is the kindly lamp is, you are lighting the lamp, then what you feel? There is some ingredients, oil and other things, so many things. When you put the fire with that, then you feel the glow. What is the symbol of that glow? Because when there is perfect unity between oil, between cotton bud, and between the fire which came from outside, like matchbox or candle, you need external fire. Without that, it will never happen. When you gave the external fire, then the whole lamp was glowing. In the same way, you need realized master. You need somebody to teach you. That is working like matchbox, working like candle. When you will touch them, then you will start glowing it. Therefore, they took, like a children's play, a lamp, oil lamp. Oh, please come and inaugurate. What is the inauguration? Inauguration means now you are showing the example how to light a lamp. I took a match, I took a candle, and I touched it. It starts glowing. In the same way, come with the realized master. Have it touch, listen and follow. How to touch realized master? Follow the teaching, practice the teaching. You will start glowing it. Therefore, this lamp was invented as rituals. And now it is present everywhere. But that ritual should give you the real perception, real feeling. Otherwise, it is having no meaning. It is just wastage of oil, wastage of many things, wastage of the time. But you must know it. A coal is there. Coal cannot give the fire inside until it is in touch with the fire. When the fire enters in a coal, then the whole coal starts burning it. Therefore, you need a contact of some realized person. and Mahatar Babaji, Lahiri Mahasaya, Swami Tesagiri, they belong to my family, belong to our family. Mission of Paramahansa Yogananda has to be fulfilled, that Kriya Yoga should be in India. And I am one selected one to give this. Therefore, I request all of you, sit and practice Kriya Yoga with me. You will find that all knowledge is appearing from inside, joy and peace and confidence. You will realize there is no illness, sickness, there is no tiredness, there is no any tension, there is no any fear. Now I am giving you 2 minutes practice, then I will explain further. Now we have got the concept from where this ritual came into existence. Eternally realized Master, Prophet, Incarnated Soul wanted to explain the all. I am the light, then what is the meaning of light? Then he started glowing that lamp. In that, when there is complete unity, you will find light. When there is complete unity between body and mind, you will find head to toes is light, is knowledge. This is a very important point. You see, this is our body.